oblivious to the
Just
fact
arrived.
that Nigeria
My Naija people don bring ogbonge bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on some tori wey be say e just happen. Family and friends they don dey cry after we kidnappers the boss enter inside this lady house so come poof by her, come even kidnap him brother. But later yesterday wey be May 1st, the kidnappers them don release the boy. One Nigerian couples they don dey happy dey thank God as they come dey jubilate him after wey God give them ogbonge twin boy and girl wey they don stay 32 years for inside their marriage and they not get any pikin. The governor of Rivers State wey be Nyesom Wike don come declare on Wednesday May 3rd as public holiday for inside Rivers State, so people of Rivers State go fit come out plenty to welcome the president-elect wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and Bola Ahmed Tinubu go visit Rivers State for 2 days on Wednesday and Thursday na him go stay there. The governor of Edo State wey be Godwin Obaseki don come yarn say e go take miracle for federal government and state government to pay salary past June this year 2023 as him come yarn. So let's say they go print plenty new money and also they go remove fuel subsidy, and na yesterday May 1st na him come out come yarn this talk for inside Edo State.
it will be a miracle for the federal government and state governments to pay salaries beyond June this year without resorting to massively printing money or removing fuel subsidy. Either of these decisions will bring more hardships and pain to us as a people.
President Muhammadu Buhari on Tuesday, May 2nd, don come open 446 housing units them wey Federal Housing Authority dey build for inside Zuba area of Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, and they use about 9.5 billion naira to build am. The special adviser to President Muhammadu Buhari on top media and publicity wey be Femi Adesina don come here and they say no be the work of government to create job for citizens them. Say the work of government na to create better environment for jobs for inside the country, while private sectors them na they supposed to create job. The ogbonge Nigerian singer wey be Tiwa Savage, they don name and join other musicians that wey go perform for the coronation concert of King Charles II on Sunday, May 7th, 2023, and plenty of her fans them don dey happy, dey hail her. As the war continue for inside Sudan, the Sudan government don come use cargo plane take carry the Sudanese citizens dem wey dey for inside the war zone as they carry dem go Juba, the capital city of Sudan.
Wow. These people are coming from war-torn Sudan, and we airlift them to safety.
The Uganda Minister of State for Labour, Employment and Industry Relations wey name be Mr. Charles Okello Engola, im bodyguard don use gun take shoot and take poof kpai for inside a house wey dey for Kampala on Tuesday morning, May 2nd, 2023. Plenty people that don shocktalize after we dey see this South African pastor with some of him followers dem enter inside church as they come dey waka like robot during church service on Sunday, April 30th, 2023. As plenty people dey come dey hearts say whether this one don be another movement of the spirit. One man children dem don come surprise their papa for his 60th birthday as they go invite him brother wey two of them never see for 32 years. As two of them come hug each other, come dey happy.
I climb every mountain and swim every ocean.
Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.